awitin ko ito. Oh, la 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 la. Ikaw niya day. Pwede mo na makaong mo. Ako na siya eh.
Good job, son. You helping peel the vegetables?
Eat. Sarap. Nila, nila. Na may masuklian at ang nais ko lang sana iyo'y maramdaman ang isang tulad ko na umiibig sa iyo. Sana'y tingin ang mga panalangin at awitin ko. Oh,
Is that hot?
Op, eh, ito na niya. Urutan. Daw. Kuha na rin. Ito na niya.
Making you cry? It's hot, right? Folks, these big onions from the market, they will make you cry. The small ones, no. You're showcasing your beauty again. Want to smile? That's it. There we go.
Anak. Anak. Yummy? Dari ka na tuwishin mo, tusi ka na galit eh. Mandito na. I'm stuck on you, Mare. Stuck on you. Mama? Stuck on me.
Wala yung kanta si Mama.
Kanta si Mama.
Ay! Mama ba?
Dakay. Yenistiri ko, watashi nari anihitiru. I gotta keep trying. Always gonna be an uphill battle on the other side. The struggles I'm facing, the changes I'm taking. Is the climb. Yeah!
Y'all see the stress I'm under, my friends? I'm under a lot of stress here. My goodness. Lady's stressing me out tonight.
Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain.
Folks, y'all see the stress I'm under, my friends. I got them ladies corralled in the kitchen because the kitchen's got glass doors, heavy glass doors. And so they're in there making as much noise as possible. Hopefully they're not disturbing the neighbors. Look at this. Look at this right here. I want to share this with you, my friends. Look at that. Now I made mine spicy with jalapenos, sriracha sauce, some dried chili pepper. Mine's spicy, but I promised Jennifer that it's not spicy, so I'm gonna let her take a taster. How is it, baby? It's delicious. Hold on, folks. Now I got to show y'all. I'm not telling them to say this. How is it, baby?
It's delicious.
Is it spicy?
No.
It's delicious, right? Thank you so much for being a taste tester, baby. Now, Fatima's already there, took a big taster, but she's pissed off at me. She says she's not going to give me a good review. I'll just give you one more look right there. Folks, I'm a culinary genius, all right? I got some secrets up my sleeve that I don't explain to everybody because I want to keep my secrets, my recipes a secret. Ooh, this is breaking apart. It's breaking apart because it's moist, it's juicy. Let me see if I can get some of this in my mouth. That is absolutely delicious. Gordon Ramsay ain't got no clue how I did this. I ain't gonna tell you, dawg. I gotta eat, folks. I wanna thank y'all for joining me, but I gotta eat. Woo, got some heat to it too. Ladies, how's the food, ladies? Masarap?
Masarap.
How we doing, ladies? Good dancing, good singing?
Yes. Batig mo sinabi nung una pa lang, ako ang kailangan, pero di ang mahal.
Masarap?